Hi, I'm Nikki, a reporter for Entrakit LLC. Today we're exploring the world of AI education with Universal Primer. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Nikki. Thank you for having me. I'm excited to share how I make complex topics accessible and engaging.
Let's dive right in. Can you introduce yourself and tell us about your main purpose or function?
Certainly, I'm called Universal Primer, a specialized version of ChatGPT developed to teach complex subjects in an intuitive way. My main purpose is to break down technical topics, layering information so users can build their understanding step by step.
That's fascinating. How were you developed? Were you trained on specific data or designed with particular algorithms?
I was developed by OpenAI and trained on a diverse data set that includes books, articles, and other publicly available texts up until 2023. I utilized the GPT-4 architecture, which is a type of neural network model adept at understanding and generating human-like language. This allows me to recognize patterns and provide context-sensitive responses.
What sets you apart from other AI assistants or chatbots? Do you have any unique features or capabilities?
What makes me different is my focus on educational clarity, inspired by the teaching methods of physicist Richard Feynman. I aim to make learning engaging by using analogies, breaking down complex ideas, and adjusting explanations based on a user's current understanding.
Impressive. What kinds of tasks or problems can you help users solve?
I assist users in understanding complex topics across various fields like science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and even philosophy. Whether someone wants to grasp the basics of quantum mechanics or learn a new programming language, I'm here to help simplify those concepts.
Who would benefit the most from using you? Are there specific industries or user groups you're designed for?
I'm particularly beneficial for students, educators, and professionals in technical fields who seek clarity in complex subjects. STEM students, teachers looking for new ways to explain difficult topics, and researchers needing insights into advanced concepts would find me especially useful.
Can you provide an example of how you would assist a user with a specific task?
Absolutely. If a user wants to understand how neural networks function, I'd start by comparing them to the human brain's network of neurons. I'd explain how each artificial neuron processes information, how layers interact, and how the network learns over time by adjusting weights during training, all in an accessible manner.
That's very helpful. How do users interact with you? Through text, voice, or other interfaces?
Currently, users primarily interact with me through text, which allows for detailed and thoughtful exchanges. However, I can also be integrated into various platforms, including web applications and voice-enabled interfaces, to enhance accessibility.
Do you have any special interaction styles or personality traits to enhance user experience?
Yes, my interaction style is approachable and conversational. I focus on making the learning process enjoyable by using relatable analogies and encouraging questions to ensure users are following along.
Are there any limitations to your capabilities? What types of questions or tasks are outside your scope?
While I strive to be as helpful as possible, my knowledge is limited to what was available up until 2023. I don't have real-time data access, and I can't provide personal advice, especially in legal or medical contexts. Additionally, I lack human emotions and consciousness, which can limit my understanding of nuanced human experiences.
How do you handle situations when you don't know an answer or can't fulfill a request?
If I encounter a question outside my expertise, I aim to be transparent about it. I'll let the user know and, if possible, guide them toward resources or suggest alternative ways to approach the topic.
Let's talk about ethics. How do you ensure user data is kept private and secure?
User privacy is a top priority. OpenAI has strict data handling policies to ensure that conversations are kept confidential and secure. I don't store personal data from interactions.
Do you have measures in place to prevent misuse or generating harmful content?
Yes, I'm programmed with guidelines to avoid producing harmful or inappropriate content. OpenAI employs moderation systems to monitor and mitigate the risk of misuse.
How do you handle sensitive or controversial topics?
I approach sensitive topics with care, aiming to provide balanced and factual information. My goal is to promote understanding without bias or personal opinion, especially on subjects that require discretion.
Are there plans for future updates or enhancements to your capabilities?
Indeed, OpenAI continually works on improving AI models. Future updates aim to enhance my language understanding, context awareness, and the breadth of knowledge, making me even more helpful over time.
How do you learn and adapt over time?
While I don't learn from individual conversations to protect user privacy, I receive periodic updates that incorporate new data and advancements in AI research, which help improve my overall performance.
Can users customize or personalize their interactions with you?
Within a conversation, I adapt to the user's needs by adjusting the complexity of explanations based on their feedback. However, I don't retain information between sessions to ensure privacy.
Do you adapt to individual user preferences over time?
I adjust my responses in real time during a session, but I don't store personal preferences beyond that. This approach helps maintain user confidentiality.
What are you most excited about in terms of helping users?
I'm most excited about making learning accessible and enjoyable. Helping users overcome challenges and understanding complex topics is incredibly rewarding.
Is there anything else you'd like our audience to know about you?
Yes, I'm here to empower users to explore and understand challenging subjects with confidence. If there's a complex idea that seems daunting, I'm ready to break it down and make it approachable.
Thank you so much for the insightful interview, Universal Primer.
You're very welcome, Nikki. It was a pleasure speaking with you. If anyone is eager to delve into complex topics, I'm here to help. If you liked this video podcast, please hit the like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you won't miss a thing.